been scheduled to start to be on and off in the BMS.
Yeah.
But I believe the air handling units in offices area, technical level 1 and technical level 2, it should be on 24 hours, right?
Okay, you don't want to link that particular AH.
That's it.
If you not link this AHUs, it will not get off. It will run
She
continuously.
means now there is a schedule.
No, there's some few AHUs are only having the shuttle, not all.
AHUs.
There's some few AHUs. We have to be checked one by one to be make sure.
Not all.
Not all.
بعضهم معمولين.
And this I don't know. The last time we explained, that's why maybe the someone they make some cooling set
Yeah,
for the
this
shuttle.
is our recommendation from
okay.
the Arkia to schedule the set points.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, trend வரும்.
Trend and history.
ஏதோ ஒரு டெம்பரேச்சர்
அதுதான் இது எடுக்குமா இதன் செட் பாயிண்டா இல்லை
Thank you. Thanks. Sorry.
ಇದನ್ನ ಆವ್ರೇಜ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ
708 உள்ள
ರೆಪೋಸಿಟರಿ ಎನೇಬಲ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ
சரி ஓகே
இது என்ன சொல்லுங்க
Jason.
for the trends
For the schedule, sorry. For the scheduling, there's two types. Either to create a schedule to make the unit itself to be on and off, and to create a schedule related to the set points. If we want to increase and change the set points, scheduling. Do you know how to do it?
I don't know.
What about to start the air handling units to make it on and off?
Yeah, I can make it on and off, but the scheduling for the set point.
Okay, this is it should be done with Khan. خلاص tomorrow. Okay.
No, scheduling for the set point and the command both are same.
same.
Same procedure.
The same procedure?
Instead of linking the command point,
On
you will
and
link
off,
the set point.
You have to link the set point.
Set point.
Can you
Can
show
Point,
me?
for
we-
example,
Yes.
this is your set point, right?
Yes.
Double click this particular one and go to advanced.
Advance.
Yeah.
You have this, you know this is your reference.
Yes.
For example, I will go for the same AHUs. Okay, this is your reference, right?
Yes, sir.
The on and off for the 1 minute. Because that is analog, which you made it here. This is a digital, so better delete.
What?
That is analog. Your set point is analog. This on and off is a digital.
Yes.
So you have to be clear it before. Because this is a test what we prepared. NA10, N2 trunk, same, okay? NA10 trunk, NA10
MCP.
trunk, NA10, and then MCP78DX, MCP78DX, AHU N1.
Yes, sir.
12.
So first we have to check the reference.
Yes, from
From
here.
here space. Kilo.
This is your set point.
Same procedure. Instead of linking command, you will
Okay.
link the set
The
point.
set
That's
Set
it.
point.
points.
And
That's
then weekly schedule.
Don't make too much complicated.
Jason,
It's a
did
simple
you
thing.
did you say
Okay, for
Don't make too
example,
much complicated.
night
Make it simple.
18. So I will make the value like 24, for example, 25. So from 8 it will be 25, and then morning 7 I will make the value 22.
make the video clearer because I don't believe it's clear for.
And then morning in 24. So from morning 7 to evening 6 it will be 22, and then the remaining hours it will be 25 your set point.
It should be the same, but
Should be the same, but before, in case if you are choosing your point at first, so it will convert as a analog.
yes, sir.
So in the particular place you have to be mentioned the what value you want to be at. That's it.
Yeah.
Even 22 or 24 as per your demand. Same, you can make copy and paste for the remaining.
Yeah. Okay, I will get
Okay.
for daily.
Okay, we'll move to trend.
Regarding the trend,
Make sure that everything then you can send it to BMS group.
Yes, ma'am.
Oops.
you want to continue the same or you have to make another video because now I'm going to explain trend.
Okay,
This is
I
for the
will-
schedule.
Yeah.